Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Acres. I'm Amanda and today I'm really excited. It's a beautiful day here at Freedom Acres. I'm sure you can tell by the lovely clouds above me, but what I mean is that I am planting sugarcane today. Cane syrup is one of the most beautiful substances in all of the world. I really love it. I enjoy baking with it and having it on baked goods. It's just delicious. I have become addicted to it. My friends at Deep South Homestead have had me involved in processing it for a couple of years now, and this year they gave me a ton to plant my own. I'm living next door now, and Sunshine, my daughter, and I love cane syrup, so we are planting some today. I have a video where I had planted some in Arkansas. My family has kept that there, and my dad is replanting that at their home, so that's really exciting. I am planting new today here though. You can see I have 3 rows busted. My other neighbor helped me with that today, and I have these beautiful stalks. So in many places I have tripled up, not just doubled, but tripled up on how much is in here because I was given so much. I was told to take all I wanted, and so I finished up the field, cleaned it up for them, and have all of this planted in cane. Hopefully this will be a beautiful harvest next year. I'm really looking forward to it. When you plant, you want to have 3 to 4 notches. Look how beautiful this is. This is lovely cane. It's very pretty. And so it's going in the ground. I'm about to go over this and build these rows so that they are well covered for winter, and then next year they will sprout. They will be beautiful all summer, and next autumn I will harvest, squeeze, and process my own cane syrup. Y'all, I'm so tickled to have some cane planted. It is supposed to freeze in the next couple of nights. So I am checking my carrots on my way back to the camper, and I have them covered, but the tarp is not touching the carrots. If you know a frost is coming and your plants are touched by the tarp, they will die. So this is supported in the middle by a piece of metal, and the cinder blocks are going to hold this down so that the tarp doesn't touch my carrots. They're going to do awesome as well. I'm really excited because I'm getting a lot of things planted that I will benefit from next year. If you're a foodie, you know that that's a really big deal to grow your own food. I love food. I love to cook food, but the best chefs have the best ingredients, and I think there is no better way to have the best ingredients than to grow your own. So I'm tickled to pieces that I'm going to have my own cane syrup soon. I'm going to have my own carrots in the spring. A lot is happening right now. We're going to be busting some earth here pretty soon so we can fertilize it for next spring. There's a lot happening right now. I'm getting a roof put over our camper, but I'm also preparing a lot of ground so that we have a bountiful harvest next year. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure. It's truly an honor to have you here, to have you click on the video. Thank you so much. I will catch you in the next one, and I hope you're having an awesome, awesome day. Bye, my friends.